Hi friends, in this video I'll be showing charger of iPhone 15 Pro Max. This is a 20 watts power adapter which I have purchased for iPhone 15 Pro Max. This is USB-C power adapter. Let me unbox it. See, we get power adapter and a USB Type-C cable. See, this is what we get. Adapter and Type-C cable. You can see this is a 2-pin adapter. On other side we can see Type-C port. This is a USB cable, Type-C cable. This is very good cable. So one end we can connect here and other end we can connect to iPhone. See, this is a Type-C port on iPhone. Other end we can connect here. See. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.